The development of various sectors in Indonesia has been progressing very rapidly, one aspect of which is infrastructure development. However, this development is not equal to consolidation shown in maintaining their continuity. It is not commensurate with the level of public awareness to maintain it. Some public facilities cannot survive because of human indifference and irresponsible actions. To fix the damage, the government has to spend a lot of money, energy, and time. One of infrastructure threat is littering. Therefore, the researchers try to overcome this problem by introducing real-time littering monitoring using artificial intelligence and machine learning.
This product has safety design and feature. In addition, it needs low cost. The location that is the focus of this research is close to several historical buildings, as shown in this figure. There is the Jacobson building that functioned as a trading Dutch company in 1960. Kantor Littering that functioned as the water reservoir building, which has become the Palembang City official government building. Hoktong that functioned as a manufacturer of rubber product. Kuto Besak Theater Restaurant that is located behind the Kantor Littering. Skana River, Skana Market, the Dutch building, a Palembang traditional house or limas, and Benteng Kuto Besak that originally functioned as the palace of the Palembang Darussalam Sultanate. Their buildings, of course, should be kept and watched carefully.
The purpose device is not only applied to monitor the littering, but also give the warning and even catch the door. One of the public facilities that should be paid attention is in the Skana location. The restoration of the 11 kilometers long Skana River is continuing, so that in 2023, it is intended that Skana River will not only be a resort, but will also become a new tourist destination in Palembang. However, as mentioned above, the development that has cost a lot of money and energy has not been followed by public awareness to maintain it. This can be seen from the fact that several parts of the Skana River restoration have been damaged and there are a lot of garbage that were thrown away in that river. The urgency of research to overcome the problems mentioned above has arisen. To protect against improper human action in the environments and exciting public facilities. The order was inspired to propose a monitoring device that can classify human activities in public environments. In this research, the device not only can classify someone's activities, such as whether that are littering or just pass by the area, but also be able to giving the warning for the violator.
Dilarang buang sampah sembarangan.
This technology has excellent feature innovation. There are real-time littering monitoring, energized using solar panel system, attractive monitoring interface, and be able to monitoring the air quality, humidity, temperature, and water level. This device consists of some components as shown in this picture. The power supply obtained from the solar cell is input into the mini PC that connects to the Arduino and the webcam, which become the input for the mini PC. The Arduino is the processor of the input sensor data derived from the ultrasonic sensor, the HT22 and MK7. The data that have being processed by the Arduino is displayed on the LCD and sent to the mini PC. On the other side, the webcam that captures the human activity near it also has a connection to the mini PC. The video captured by the webcam is processed by the mini PC and then is sent to the cloud server through the Wi-Fi router, which then send the final data to the user. The user can use their mobile phone, PC, or laptop to monitor the littering activity, and also gives the warning sound from its speaker inside.
The interface menu for the mobile phone and PC or laptop are login page and dashboard of the application or website. There are main information that's shown on the dashboard page. This information obtained from conditions that being monitored by the device in two different locations, Sekanak River and 27 Iler Park. As the output of the device, the information such as weather, temperature, humidity, water level, and air quality of the environment around the device. The value of the detection system is resulted by detection from the device sensors. It also had an activity detection that's shown on the output from the camera. The results given are in the form of normal condition and littering condition. All electronic components are placed in the electrical box and its supply from the battery that powered by solar cell. From the mechanical figure, it's known that the device has two different boxes. In one above is containing the device itself. And in the bottom box, it stores the battery. The battery usage is 12 volt to make the system work. The solar cell works on recharging the battery while it receives sunlight. And used as primary supply to device while at night. The battery becomes the power supply due to none of sunlight at night.
This research has been tested and implemented at Sekanak area. There are Sekanak River and mini garden near the Sekanak Market in Palembang.
In publication, this research has been published in some articles, and has been registered in Hak Cipta. This product has been introduced in the Joint Working Group on 28 until 29 June 2022 at Valenciennes, France through poster and article. For potential commercial, the researchers has collaborated with District 27 Ilir Palembang, and also the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing.
Thus, at the end of this video, the authors want to state that this device can be applied not only in Skarnat River, however, it can be implemented in many parts of infrastructure and public areas that need to be watched. Strength vocation, strengthen Indonesia.